Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Tesla? This is ticker TSLA. Now, Tesla has been in a choppy range since May. We can see that we got above the 200-day moving average here in the beginning of May, made a run up to around 350, 360, pulled right back to the 200-day moving average, closed below, got really sloppy here, and ever since then, it's actually been printing an interesting pattern where we've had progressively higher lows on every pullback. The buyers have had to step up and reach up and grab the shares that they want at progressively higher and higher levels since this initial flush under the 50-day moving average in May. We have a low here, higher low, higher low, higher low. And so I actually think that this is setting up for a potential move above 358.40. Now, if Tesla can get above and stay above 358.40 and do it on good volume, we might actually race up to 400 and test some of the highs from back here in January of this year. So that's just one of many setups we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope it's helpful, and I'll see you next time.